In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 12s, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Begin by opening Devices settings. In them, scroll all the way down to access additional settings. Then select one-handed mode and click on this gray switcher next to it in order to activate it. Lastly, follow all of those instructions. Turn on one-handed mode by swiping left or right from the center of the navigation panel. So when I do that, as you can see, one-handed mode is on. If you want to go back, just click on this area or swipe up. In order to disable one-handed mode completely, click on the same no blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!